equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. It is day number 4 of our Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar unboxing. So let's get to it. Let's find day number 4. Day number 4. Where? Oh, I found day number 4 down here in the corner. Okay, I don't know if I'm getting any better at opening these. Ooh, I think I am. Tip it forward. It's like a science project. Okay. Ooh, don't know what that is. It's kind of shoved in there. I don't want to hurt it. Ugh. Well, that is pretty neat. This is day number 4, and it is non-snap plating bands. So it is a nice little package of rubber bands for plating or braiding, and it says non-snap. Oh, that's cool. They're very flexible. I mean, it still snaps, but those are pretty neat. And it's a whole package of these plating bands. I don't know how many are in here. There are 400 little bands in this. That is 400 braids. They're clear, so I can use them on Pleasant. I could use them on a white horse. Don't think it really matters, but I'm gonna have to go play with those and see what it's like to braid a mane or a tail with these plating bands. Pretty awesome, actually. That's not something I would have bought for myself, but I love braiding my horse's manes and tails, so I'm going to have to go put those to use. Okay, so day number 1, we had the hoof ointment. Day number 2, we have the regrowth serum. Day number 3, the hand cream for rider's hands. And now day number 4, a package of plating bands. This box just keeps getting better and better. I'm super excited to see what is in store for day number 5. But you'll just have to come back tomorrow and watch for day number 5, which I don't know where it is on the box. And we'll see what day number 5 is. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all of the Advent Calendar unboxing videos, along with all of the other videos that I have showing you how to be a budget equestrian too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.